Ever wondered what all the fuss around the stock market is about? Well, buckle up, because today we're delving into the world of investing in stocks. The stock market, at its core, is a place where buyers and sellers trade shares of publicly held companies. These shares represent ownership in those companies. So when you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. There are two primary reasons why people invest in stocks. The first is to grow their wealth. Over the long term, the stock market tends to rise in value, though there are certainly periods where it falls. The second reason is to generate income. Some stocks pay dividends, which are portions of the company's earnings distributed to shareholders. But how does one choose which stocks to invest in? Well, that's where things get interesting. There are two main schools of thought: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis involves looking at a company's financials, its industry position, and the overall health of the economy. It's about understanding the business behind the stock. On the other hand, technical analysis focuses on patterns in stock prices to predict future movements. However, it's important to note that investing in stocks carries risk. The value of stocks can go down as well as up, and there's always the chance that the company could go bankrupt, leaving your shares worthless. So, what have we learned today? Firstly, the stock market is a marketplace for buying and selling shares of publicly held companies. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of that company. Secondly, people invest in stocks to grow their wealth and generate income. Over the long term, the stock market tends to rise in value, and some stocks pay dividends. Thirdly, choosing which stocks to invest in involves either fundamental analysis, which looks at the company's financials and position, or technical analysis, which focuses on price patterns. Finally, it's crucial to remember that investing in stocks carries risk. The value of stocks can go down as well as up, and there's always a chance of losing your investment. So there you have it, a whistle-stop tour of investing in stocks. Remember, investing should always be done with careful consideration, and ideally with the advice of a financial professional. But hopefully, this has given you a basic understanding of what the stock market is all about. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.